Hi, it's Frank from Mann Lake, and today I want to address what I call a fallacy about checking our bees in the wintertime. A lot of people are told, especially brand new hobby beekeepers, do not open your hive in the wintertime, and to me that's a fallacy. What happens in the wintertime? After we've winterized our colony, maybe we put on a bee cozy, we put on some sort of moisture control in our mouse guards, and we close our bees for the winter, and they're told don't open them until springtime. Well, if your bees don't have enough stores to get through winter, they end up starving. What good is it to not open your colony throughout winter only to find out in spring they've starved to death? What I tell people is when you start getting into that fall period, you should be going to the back of your hive and giving it a little lift just to judge the weight on it to see how much winter store they have in there for them. And as winter goes on, you could do the same thing. What I like to do up here in northeastern Pennsylvania, when I get into the late February, March timeframe, it's very cold outside. And I don't want to pull frames out and chill the brood that the queen is starting to raise, but I want to make sure they have that feed on there. All I'm going to do is this. I'm going to take this inner cover off on a temperate day, maybe when it's in the mid 30s or so, right around 30. I'm going to take it, I'm just going to lift this inner cover and look. Now, I'm going to take it off for demonstration purposes, but I generally don't. I lift it up like this and look. If the bees are all up top here, they are out of feed. You have to add feed to them. If they're down below still and you hear them, they're fine. You just put that cover back down and they're good. And when you lift it up and look, you will see capped honey down in here. You know your bees still have feed, so you don't have to do anything. However, if they're up top, they're basically out of feed, and they've got a good month and a half before they start bringing resources in. This is our opportunity to add feed to these bees if we have to. So what I will do is use something called a winter shim. This goes right on top like this, and it's got space here, so I can add feed. So I'm going to take one of our winter feeds, I'm going to lay it right on top of these top bars, and put this cover back on top like that. I'm going to work fairly quickly and put this cover back on. Now I've given them enough feed to get them through to that period from, say, late February through March, where there's really nothing coming into the colony, to early April, when the maples start to bloom and they start bringing in nectar. So I've saved this colony from starvation just by that simple 2-minute, 3-minute check. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like it, and we'll have more content for you coming.